Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a video on how to use the new SMS module in our platform. First step, come on over to the Edit Passwords link and scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, right here is where you see your Stripe key, your Stripe publish keys, the Twilio account information, and we're going to walk over to both those dashboards in a second and see where you get that information. So this is the information you need. First thing is the Stripe dashboard. Let's take a look over there. You would click on your Stripe dashboard and click on API keys. And right here, you will see the publish key and the secret key. You basically copy and paste those things into our system right here. Okay. The next step, your Twilio account. You have your main dashboard over here where you will see settings. And in settings, you'll see in the general tab the account SID. Come back over to our system and copy that and paste that into the account SID, your authorization token, and your phone number. Again, on your Twilio account, your authorization number token is right here. You can click and copy that, and then your phone number would be in the phone number section right over here. So you need that information. You would copy and paste that into our system, and that will basically configure it. Also, you pick your currency of choice here as well. Okay, you submit that and you're off to the races. So now let's take a look at the setup inside of one of the apps. Okay, so I'm going to scroll right down here, select this one. Now you come over to your campaigns and you'll see this new SMS module. It was probably going to be called the SMS feature, but we're going to replace this. Come on over here and you'll see you've got campaigns, credits, and lists. Okay, so you're able to actually buy campaign credits in all of your customers are able to buy campaign text messaging credits. Now those credits don't expire. If you buy 100, they're used. They're only gone once you actually sent out 100 text messages. You're able to see lists, which I've got right here. You're able to upload a list. So let's say you have a POS system. You can export a list into an Excel sheet of all your clients and their cell phone numbers and import that into our system. You can check the format that's needed by clicking this link right here. It'll give you an Excel sheet and shows you exactly what is necessary. So it'll say name, phone number, and email. This is the format in which you need to populate your list that you're importing into the system. Okay, and then you can upload that right directly into the system. Your lists will populate on this side over here. We'll add a delete button here. We'll add some test lists over here, and then you're able to schedule campaigns. Right, by clicking that, give the campaign a name. Your message is going to go in here, so you can type in whatever message you want. You're selecting what list it's going to, right? You can name your lists and have different SMS lists you're sending out to, and then have the schedule. You've got a calendar here. You can pick whatever date you want it to go out, whatever time you want it to go out, and then you can also send a test message to a phone number to test what it looks like on a phone. Okay, hit look to test. Sorry about that, I'm having some issues with my screen capturing system. Anyways, so you can test it, you can send it, and you can save it. Okay, all that stuff is done right here in the back office. We will be adding functionality like an API integration for WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger and expanding this whole system. But right now, this is live and working, and I'm really excited about this because, as you know, push notifications, while they're a great feature, it is something that your users, people that download your app, can disable, can turn off, can opt out of. So obviously, if you're sending messages and people aren't seeing them, there's no real value to that. Text messaging, when they provide you a phone number, there is no way that they will not see your message. So this is a great tool. It's a great upsell for you as a reseller as well. You're paying Twilio. I think we're paying 0.0079 cents for a credit, and we're selling them between 3.5 and 10 cents per credit. Let me show you one more thing where you set up your plans to purchase. So if I look at my credits, I'm able to purchase a plan here. If I click on that, I'll see the plans available. So when I click the purchase button, it takes me to this screen. Basically, I enter my information as a business owner of the app, and I can actually pay for the SMS credits. Right, so I'm able to purchase whatever plans. And where you set the plans up is back in your main reseller dashboard. So let's go back there. So you can see in my system here, manage SMS plans. I've got two plans created here, and I'm able to edit these, add new, delete these ones right here. Okay, so this is where you set up your plans. You can have multiple plans. I would suggest, the more amounts of credits you sell, the cheaper you make it. So if someone's buying 100 credits, it's going to be more money. If they buy 1,000 credits, it's going to be less money. It makes more money for you as a reseller, and it gives your app owners a benefit for buying in bulk. So essentially, that's a quick look at our new feature. We're really excited about it. Hope you are too. Thanks for watching.